Let's talk about Chef and Palm Brush, Arugula Meringue. Easy to use as sits in the palm of your hand for total control. Ideal for all vegetables. Dishwasser safe. Color Arugula meringue. Dimensions WXDXH, 5 by 45 by 25 centimeters. Not as bulky as I thought, which for me is great. I have mild arthritis in my hands, so found this lovely little spud scrubber really easy and, most importantly, very comfortable to use. The middle finger goes into the ring part and scrub away. So easy. I've used the palm brush for carrots and spuds and they came up nice and clean. You can't be too careful with pesticides and who knows what on our veg these days. The color is not my favorite, but it stands out and is easy to find in a cutlery drawer full of stainless steel. The bristles seem very hardy and are not too rough that they scrub veg to bits literally like steel wool, as my previous veg scrubber did. I thought I would also miss having a handle on the brush, but honestly, this little gem of a veg scrubber palm brush is lots better, and, because of the unique way the brush is held, my hand didn't take nor did I drop it. I'm going to buy one for my mom, whose hands are far worse than mine, but I know we'll get lots. Had loads of potato scrubbing brushes, but these last the longest and are so easy to use because your finger goes through, much easier on the hands. Love these brushes. These are really vegetable brushes, I believe, but we use them simply as general scrubbing brushes because the bristles are short and pretty stiff and they really get things clean. Love the bit you put your finger in, as it stops you losing grip when the item is soapy.